Make viral YouTube thumbnail in 30 seconds. Your thumbnails looks boring. Let's fix that in 30 seconds with Canva and make them go viral. So here I have logged into the Canva and I'll just click on create. And then it will ask you to select what exactly you want. So I want the YouTube thumbnail. Now to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, especially once you select it, you need to click on this design, and in design you will have a lot of templates. You don't have to make much changes, only few editings will do. And then you just need to click on share, click on download, and here you select PNG and then click on download again. Once you do that, you have successfully created a thumbnail in Canva, which may go viral. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.